Hello guys. Welcome back to our new video. If you have also recently faced the speech services by Google waiting for network connection error regardless of your internet connection status, then here are some solutions for you. Simply, go through this video and use the shared fixes. Now, let's start this video. Before heading towards the solution, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Solution 1. Clear cache of the app. You can fix this error by clearing the cache of the speech services by Google app. To do this, open the phone settings, go to the apps, scroll down and select the speech services by Google, tap on the storage, then tap on the clear data and clear cache buttons. Restart the phone. Now, check if doing this resolved the problem or not. Solution 2. Update the app. As this error is likely to appear due to the bug in the app, updating it may fix the issue. Open the Google Play Store. Tap on the profile icon. Go to the Manage Apps and Device option. Move to the Updates Available option. Now, check if the speech services by Google is in the list. If it is on the list, tap on the Update button next to it. Once the app is updated, check if you are still facing the problem. Solution 3. Modify the settings. Making some changes in the settings may help you to get rid of this problem. For this, open Phone Setting. Then go to Google. You need to open the setting for Google app. Select Search Assistant and Voice. Select the voice option from the list. Tap on the offline speech recognition. Move to the auto update section. Here, select the auto update languages at any time option. Solution 4. Reinstall the app. If you are still getting the error, then another way to fix the problem is to reinstall the app. To reinstall the app, go to the phone settings, select apps, select the speech services by Google, tap on the uninstall button. Once the app is uninstalled, open the Google Play Store, search for the app and reinstall it. I hope by using these fixes, you managed to remove the speech services by Google waiting for network connection error from your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, then give it a like and share it with others. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more such videos. Thanks for watching.